Hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing video talking about this phone. This is the Note 14 Pro 5G from Xiaomi. If you follow my YouTube account long enough, I've been covering some football games, especially on quick video uploads from stadium. I use the previous Redmi Note 12 Pro. A lot of viewer asking in the past, like 2 years ago. Then I shifted to Google Pixel. Then recently I tried Xperia 1 from Sony. That one is a bit like Sony mirrorless camera because they have Camera Pro apps where you can capture footage like your mirrorless camera. I prefer that one on the camera, but I have some problem, especially they are not that strong and their parts are very expensive. You have some problems. During Raya I have some problems. I'll talk about that another video, well, when I do a full detail about this phone. So this phone is dust and water resistant, and also it has that Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. So that's what I'm looking for. Some phone that is very strong and can go with me anywhere during my contents footage seeking. So this phone is quite new in the market, I think like a few months ago. So this one is Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. They have another two variant, uh, which is the Redmi Note 14 5G. Another one is Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So the main difference, I think, mostly are on the camera and other setting. But in this variant, they have 200 megapixel pro grade AI camera system where you can actually you just can erase. They have Xiaomi Hyper OS, IP68 dust and water resistant, 45 turbocharging. This one not so turbocharging. It took me like almost 1 hour. And then they have their own MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra. So they have 1.5K 120 Hz display. So all in all, it's not really that eye-catching. It is actually a medium class phone. Consider its size. It have big screen, and that Gorilla Glass Victus 2 I think is good enough. Its 200 megapixel camera is actually have four camera, wide, macro, flash, and etc. So the main camera have 1/1.4 large sensor size, aperture of f 1.65, and that 2.24 super pixel, 7p lens, and OIS. I think this is good enough for me. Consider that it is a very strong built phone. I'm looking for that. Later I will find another Sony Xperia, maybe Xperia 1 Mark 4 or 5 or maybe 6 to comply with their camera. I think their camera is very good, especially if you are used to Sony mirrorless system. So that's it guys, don't forget to like, comment and share, subscribe to this channel, and comment down in the comment section if you have something to say about this model. Is it good or not? See ya. Ciao.